Good morning, I'm going to give you a tour of my apartment. I'm almost finished cleaning up and packing up. Still a little bit of stuff to do, but I'll give you a tour of this apartment. I'm the second person to stay in this apartment. The teacher before me stayed here for 1 year, and I've stayed here for 1 year, so it's 2 years old. You start off with typing your password in, and then you come into the door. This apartment's quite good size compared to the other apartments I stayed in. It's a studio. I don't pay anything, the school pays for it, and I just pay some of the bills. So I'll give you a show. So as you walk in, you got the main area. Still got some junk here. And you got your door. Huge, a lot of storage. This place is packed with storage. By far the best place I've ever stayed with storage. Way too much storage for me, but I do have too much stuff. Alright, so let's walk in. To the left, we've got the bathroom. Again, huge bathroom. All of this is storage, huge mirrors, separate shower, electric toilet, special toilet. Yeah, so it's good size bathroom. Mirrors, I don't know how to keep them clean. I'll have to try having another crack at cleaning the mirrors. Alright, and then we got our kitchen. Let's turn on the lights. We got the kitchen. We've got a 2-stove burner. We've got the sink. A bit of a drying area. As you can see, not much cutting area or prep area. But what we do have for the kitchen, which I didn't find for a little while, but eventually found it, is this. Dun, 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 dun. Got a bit of an extra area. I actually had my rice cooker in there. There's actually a power point in here, so I had my rice cooker in here. So that was handy. Again, more storage. So much storage. I actually got a microwave. This is I've only 2 out of 4 apartments I've got a microwave. So it's quite good to have. I enjoy having a microwave. Again, more storage. I use this to store my food, like the dry stuff. I don't know, people might store clothes there, but it just made sense to store my food there. And then you got the hidden fridge. A massive fridge, too big for me. Freezer. I tried to fill it up, but I couldn't fill it up. And you end up just paying the electricity for it, but it's okay. Samsung. Oh, I found something I got to clean. I got to clean this. But I got a washer. Washing machine. Good. Does the job. And then you got this hidden drying rack underneath the microwave. And the only flaw with this apartment, with how it's set up, is with this drying rack. As you can see, if you've got stuff hanging here, you can't open the fridge. You can just fold it in and open it, which is what I do. But that's the only flaw in this apartment. It's quite nice. So the washing machine, that's on the thing to do. And this is the main area. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 6 steps length, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 lengths width. We got the aircon, which I've sort of been using in the summer. I haven't used the floor heating. I'll show you where the floor heating. This is all the stuff. All this thing. I hardly ever use it. I just use it to let in the delivery guys through the main door of the apartment building, which I actually had an embarrassing story because in these apartment buildings, I let them in on the main floor, of course, down the below, and they come up, and also on my door, there's a doorbell for my apartment, my direct apartment. And I just assumed they're ringing from downstairs, and this guy was ringing from outside. And I'm pressing the button. What's he doing? Pressing the button. And eventually he opens up the main door and I'm in my pajamas and the place is a bit of a mess. That was quite embarrassing. And another embarrassing story, there's 2 apartments that look exactly the same here in this complex. And my second week or so, had a few drinks. I went to the first apartment. I'm in building 2. I went to building 1 for my building number, my apartment number. Typing in the code, getting angry, swiping the card, getting frustrated, about to call my boss like, I can't get into my apartment, and wrong apartment. So I had 2 embarrassing moments. But yeah, so you got all this stuff. I don't know what half of it does. I know just how to open the door. Also you got your lights. So this is the bedroom light, kitchen light, and this one, another bedroom light. And then they got some of these electric saving modes. I've never worked out, I never used them. This is the floor heating, I think. I don't know. And this is the bathroom, the humidifier. I never used that either. So I didn't use the floor heating this season. All the other contracts I've used the floor heating, but I didn't need it. This being on level 4, I don't know, with the heat and the good double glazed windows, I just didn't need it this winter. Well, it did get cold, like on my temperature thing, that clock I have, it did say about, got to about 18, 19 degrees inside, so it did get a bit cold, but I was okay. Yeah, storage under the bed. And then this one, before I show you the special one, got a table that opens up. It's first table, mirrors, more storage, and this baby. I only used it twice. Do you know what it is? It is a dryer. To dry your clothes. I used it twice. I actually used it on my very first night because I washed all my work clothes and I realized I didn't have any work clothes for my next day. And I used it one other time when I didn't have any clothes to wear for work. I could dry a shirt in like 30 minutes or something like that. But I only used it twice. And then this is the main cupboard. Huge, plenty of space. I use this to dry clothes and stuff. I'm not sure what it was for. Yeah, so this is an apartment. So what you do pay for, you pay for the electricity and you pay for the water, and I pay for Wi-Fi. It costs, I've done it in every apartment, it costs between 12,000 won to 15,000 won, $12 to $15. You get unlimited Wi-Fi. You know, I had a TV connected, so I had Korean TV. You don't have to pay that. Just talk to your school about that. You don't have to pay for that. Also, what was I going to say? Yeah, my building fees here. Being in the newer buildings, you're going to find your building fees be a lot more because you're paying for the elevator. My first 2 apartments in Daejeon didn't have an elevator. And then you're also paying for, sometimes they got heating outside or aircon. The trash removal and all this, you got to pay for all of that. Yeah, so the new apartments are pretty decked out, but you got to pay for it. So my bills are about, when I'm not using aircon, it was about 80,000 won including the Wi-Fi, so it'd be about 65,000 won without the Wi-Fi. But when I was using the aircon, last month was my biggest bill I've ever got, and it was about 110,000 won, and that's me using electricity a little bit. I did a bit of cooking because I had a holiday, 6-day holiday, so I was doing some cooking as well. So that was my biggest bill, 110,000 won, about $110, which was a lot, but some of them can be a lot worse. But it can be a lot less if you're in an older building without the elevator. It was only like $30. So yeah, so your bills can be variant. So this is the apartment. I'm going to quickly finish cleaning up. I may show you the garage, but the trash disposal area where you put all the trash, that's quite a disaster down there at the moment. Sunday on a public holiday, we got Chuseok at the moment, 4-day weekend. Everyone's throwing their trash down there. Usually Sunday does get quite bad, but it's really bad today. Actually, there's some guys down there working at it, so I don't want to film them if they're down there. So we'll see if they're there. If not, I'll take you to the roof and show you the rooftop. There's a car park, 4-story car park. I don't know how to use the car park. My bike's down in the car park. That's free. Just need to get a sticker. You need a sticker on the bikes or they get thrown away. So I'll take you to the garbage disposal area if it's okay. If not, I'll take you to the roof. See you there. Foam, styrofoam, tin cans, glass, aluminium cans, garbage bags, plastic bags, and cardboard. So they've cleaned it up a little bit. It was way worse than this. That's actually quite nice though at the moment. So that's the garbage area. Now I'll take you to the roof. Alright, this is the rooftop. I've been up here for a few of the videos, but this is on the top floor. I got 15 floors and then 4 underground parking. But that must be double, so there must be 30 or so. Mountains in the background. It is a great spot. If you had a family, lots of parks, lots of mountains, lots of greenery. So I really enjoyed my stay here. I'm gonna move, I've got 2 weeks in Korea, then I'm gonna go to Vietnam. My visa got approved, so I can say I'm gonna go to Vietnam. And then I will come back for 1 week, then go home. So follow along. I will give you a tour of my first hotel. My first hotel is very unique, so that may be the next video. We'll see. See you next time. Bye.